Hello everyone, I am Shruti Vijayargi from BISP Solution. In this video, I am going to tell you about the exponential distribution in Excel. Exponential distribution can be used to determine the probability that will take a given number of trials to arrive at the first success in a Poisson distribution. That is, it describes the inter-arrival times in a Poisson process. It is the continuous counterpart to the geometric distribution, and it too is memoryless. So the exponential distribution function is used to calculate the exponential distribution. There are two functions of exponential distribution. This is the function used for probability density function, where lemma is the parameter of the distribution and x is the independent variable, and another function which is used to calculate cumulative exponential distribution, 1 minus e to the power minus lemma x. But in Excel, it is very easy to calculate the exponential distribution using expo and dist function. This function returns the exponential distribution with the use of expo and dist function to model the time between events such as how long an automated bank teller takes to deliver cash. For example, you can use expo and dist to determine the probability that the process takes at most 1 minute. So this function does take the three arguments. The first one is the x, which is the value of the function. Lemma is the parameter value, and the third argument is the cumulative, which is a logical value that indicates which form of the exponential function to provide. If cumulative is true, that means this function returns the cumulative distribution function, and if it is false, then it returns the probability density function. There are four possible ways to calculate exponential distribution in Excel. First one is the simple, when we have given any value a and we have to calculate its exponential distribution, then we just pass the value a, the theta value, and the cumulative will be false to calculate probability density function. If the value of x is less equals to a, then the cumulative value will be true. If the value of x lies between a and b, then exp function is used to calculate exponential, and if x is greater equals to b, then exp is used to calculate the value for exponential distribution. So how this actually works, I am going to tell you with the help of simple example of exponential distribution. Let's suppose x be any random variable, and to get a call to a healthcare provider. This question is regarding exponential distribution. We have given mean time of 12 minutes. So theta will be 1 by 12 number of phone calls. Okay. So first we have to calculate the probability of getting no calls within 30 minutes. So the probability of getting no calls, that means the value of x is greater equals to b. That here b will be the value of 30 minutes. So we use this function to calculate the probability of getting no calls. So just select the cell, type an equal sign, select the function exp, and then pass the argument here minus b into theta. So minus b will be the 30 minus 30 into the value of theta. So let's first calculate 1 by 12, which is 0.0833. So select the cell, select the function minus 30 into this value, and then enter. So this will be the output of first question. Then the probability of getting at least one call within a 10 minutes. So within a 10 minute, that means the value of a will be 10, and we use expo and dist function to calculate this because it is the third condition to calculate. So select the cell expo and this function. The value of a will be 10 theta, and we have to pass reference true for the cumulative distribution. And then the last question is the probability of getting the first call within 5 to 10 minutes. So the value of x lies between 5 to 10. So this function is used to calculate the exponential distribution. Select the cell, select the function, and minus a. So we calculate from bigger value to lower value. So a will be 10 into theta, and then minus exp. B will be our 5 into theta, and then enter. So this will be the output. So this is how exponential calculation has been done in Excel. The exponential distribution is used to calculate the probability of occurrence of an event that is the result of a continuous decaying or declining process, such as the time until a radioactive particle decays. The exponential distribution is also used to model the waiting times between rare events. So I just given you an overview of exponential distribution in Excel. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thanks for watching.